Hello friends, welcome to Trendy Orion. Today I am trying to give you an idea how in the land of Bharata or Hindustan from Vedic age, saints and normal people were very much into practice of physics. Today that what we call quantum physics or modern physics, and the idol of deities Hindus worship today were created for the common man to understand physics and its application in our daily life, how the universe is created, etc. through these deities. For those who may not be familiar with the true Vedic philosophy and teaching, it is important to note that all Vedic and Hindu deities represent cosmic energies that are part of the divine universal energy or the supreme Godhead. Many people get confused and clueless why Ma Kali is standing on Shiva. Kali is the predominant energy of creation, the first feminine energy principle responsible for the entire manifested universe. That is why she is often addressed as Adi Shakti, the first energy principle. Shiva represents the male cosmic energy principle of our form created world, and Parvati, who is another representation of Shakti, is the female cosmic energy principle. Both these primal male and female cosmic energy principles are responsible for creating this universe. Thus, Shiva and Shakti together create this form world as we know. Our physical universe created over billions of years of evolution due to energy play between Shiva and Shakti started with a roar that is called Big Bang in physics, or in other words, distraction leading to a beautiful cyclic creation. Remember thousands of Avengers Infinity Wars and Shiva's statue outside Sun depicting dance of creation destruction, the basis of all matter per quantum field theory. The very fundamental of physical dimension of the universe is the notion of duality, that is a complete opposite force in order to lead to a perfect symmetry, or in other words a perfect destruction creation pair formula for cyclism. That is, anything taken from this universe must be returned back. In terms of physics, think particles such as proton, electrons. In terms of life rhythm, think breath in, breath out. And in the midst of these fundamental dualities is the ultimate unity, the vast nothingness, Shiva. In physics, space-time is any mathematical model which fuses the three dimension of space and the one dimension of time into a single four-dimensional manifold. Space-time diagram can be used to visualize relativistic effects such as why different observers perceive different where and when events occur. In Hinduism, in Rig Veda, this space-time was very well explained more than 6,000 years before, and later, for better understanding of this space-time theory, Ma Kali standing on Shiva idol was created for the analysis of this theory for the common man. Kali, who represents time, is the first and foremost of all Shaktis, that is energy forms. Since all of creation manifests and exists in and through her, she is also a representation of space, where all things can come into being. In this way, Kali represents the space-time continuum which allows for the manifested material world to exist. Shiva means that which is not the physical existence or is the vast, static, unmanifested nothingness that is timeless with no beginning and no end, is boundless with no start and no end, is shapeless, is the most powerful energy capable of mass destruction in order for meaningful creation to happen. Now think about dark energy, something that is not physical as well and has striking similarities to that of Shiva. As per modern physics, around 95% of the universe as we know it is filled with dark energy. Out of this 95%, 70% comes under dark energy and 25% dark matter, and the rest 5% creation, that is what we can see. This physical universe is explorable as it stops light, but the dark universe, Kala in Hinduism, is mostly unexplored, although we have some theories tends to accelerate the expansion of the universe. We know that the universe is expanding because Hubble in 1929 observed that distant galaxies showed a large red shift than closer galaxies. Now let's talk about two verses of Rig Veda that match with the finding of human being. The 10th chapter 90.3 shloka of Rig Veda, all that is born is just his 1/4. The other 3/4 cannot be born or die. Chapter 10 90.4 shloka. 3/4 of him is beyond and only 1/4 of him is born again and again. That is, 3/4 of the universe or the dark energy is eternal, and only the rest is physical manifestation bounded to be cyclical, that is, emerging out and then merging back to the vast, static, unmanifested nothingness. Remember laws of thermodynamics? This 3/4 of unmanifested, uncyclic, static dimension of the universe is what we refer to as Shiva, which modern science has named as dark energy for now. Hinduism says that Sarvam Shivam Mayam Jagatam, that is, the whole universe is held by Shiva. So I hope you understood why this idol was created. Friends, if you like this video, please give a like and please give your valuable important comment in the comment section.